Hailed as a king of fruits, durian is famous for its powerful smell and bittersweet taste, and is widely known in Asia and Pacific Islands. This exotic fruit grows abundantly in Davao due to its rich, fertile volcanic soil and climate makes it most suitable for sustained production of the freshest and tastiest durian. In Davao region, the area planted to durian is estimated to a total of 8,140.28 hectares with 57,283.87 bearing trees. But Davao would not be a major durian producing city of the country without the durian farmers, growers, processors, and buyers that contribute to the growth of the durian industry in the city and the Davao region.
Ang Belvis Farms ay na-start ng father ko. My father was farming, cacao farmer siya noon. Pero nung nakita niya na medyo mababa yung price ng cacao, nag-aaral siya ano yung crops na pwede niyang matanim. Sa pag-ikot-ikot naman niya na may chance siyang pumunta ng Thailand, no, nakita niya na very profitable ang durian. So he started planting durian here around early 90s. Tapos unti-unti niyang dinevelop yung farm. Yung nakatanim siya ng maraming durian, tapos dinevelop niya yung market. Ngayon, ako na ngayon ang nagmamanage ng farm namin. For Belvis Farms naman po, produce fresh durians. We also supply to our sister company, which is Rosario's Delicacies, and vacuum pack durian that we ship to Japan. We also had a small shipment to Australia. Pero eto nga, since we're just a small company, konti lang yung napapadala namin. We had the challenge na yung noon nga, yung sa father ko parang in his own way lang ng farming. Ngayon, we try to professionalize the farm. And with that, we applied for PhilGAP certification para maayos namin yung, yung process namin sa farm, yung quality ng farm with following the GAP principles, good agricultural practice. Maka-ensure kami na food safe yung products na na-produce namin and high quality.
NCM Food Product is, sa ngayon, isang pinakamalaki exporter lang durian. And naka-export kami yung coconut to China market. Actually, una-una, ako ang isang durian lover. Talaga, gusto ko durian. Kumain ng durian, masarap po ang durian. Napasya ako sa Thailand, kasama ko friend ko sa Thailand, napansin ko, mga farmers sa Thailand durian farmers sa Thailand, magandang buhay. At maganda ang presyo nila. So, papari ko sa Labaw, siyempre napansin kami, ang mura ng presyo natin sa Labaw. Lalo sa peak season, sa tabi-tabi ng kasada, mura na masyado. So, isip ko, bakit hindi tayo maka-export? Nung ako simula po. Basta kami na-export first durian, actually dati pa, siguro nasa 2017, na-export kami durian na-export kami sa Japan, Hong Kong, Singapore, Thailand, Malaysia. China is pinakamalaki market sa buong mundo yan. Ang daki kami talaga, kung open na China market, weekly sana may 10 container man export po.
Etong export nga natin for China, malaking tulong sa mga farmers lalo. Ako na durian farmer. I have been farming for 30 years. Medyo nahirapan kami sa journey dito dahil ayun, because of this new market na nag-open, malaking tulong to at matutulungan talaga not only kami as a company but also other farmers. And as the president naman po of Durian Industry Association of Davao City, sa mga kasama namin sa association, malaking tulong talaga ito dahil majority kasi ng mga farmers, ang mga members namin, are backyard farmers. This is both a blessing and a challenge. Blessing dahil yung may market na tayo, good price. A challenge naman dahil this is an export market. We need to produce better durian fruits and a more food safe. Dahil maraming certifications ang kailangan So hopefully the association together with the Department of Agriculture can help these farmers to reach that market.
This news, hindi na kami nakahinta dito, sana pwede tayo direct export na durian to China. Number one, ang mga farm price ang durian, sure yan, maka-increase yan, mataas po ang presyo ang durian natin. So, ang durian farmers natin, more income. Siyempre, makanda ang buhay lahat.
For the farm side po, very exciting po yung opening ng market dahil biglang akyatan yung price Dati kasi 15 years ago, halos ano lang 15 to 20 pesos per kilo sa farm gate. Minsan wala pang bumibili dahil sobrang dami nga nagkaka-oversupply sa Davao City. So ang nangyayari halos hindi nabebenta. Pero lately naman, parang nag-start kasi ang hype ng durian nung naging president former President Rodrigo Duterte. Doon nagsimula Then after that, yung nga nakapag-pass tayo ng letter through the Department of Agriculture na mag-request nga tayo ng entry for the China market. Unti-unti ngayon lalo na malapit na tayong mag-export, ito na yung hype na biglang akyatan talaga yung price. As a farmer talaga, ang laki ng minsan nga very overwhelming ang demand, as in sobrang taas kasi na minsan parang mo na hindi mo kayang dahil usually mga Chinese magtanong sa akin can you supply 100 container vans, 50 container vans a week? Parang as a small farmer hindi kaya etong time na ito dapat magtulong-tulong lahat ng farmers para ma-fill in natin tong market ng China.
Training natin, seminar natin yung mga farmers, paano siya standard ang management sa farm. Kailangan po tayo good quality. Siyempre, export na tayo, kailangan tayo export quality.
Sa ngayon kasi, I have been talking to our partners in DA, and I have been suggesting to them na we tap our neighbors to get these technologies. But there are also some private companies from Malaysia starting to enter the Philippine market to do consultancies, to sell their inputs here na ginagamit sa durian, in which ang local kasi halos wala pang mga these kinds of inputs na targeted for durian production talaga. I think the Philippine average is around 4 tons per hectare. For the Davao City average, around 7 tons per hectare. Sa farm naman namin, we go around 12 to 15 tons per hectare. First of all, if we need to really maximize our export market here in the Philippines, we need to expand because kulang talaga yung production ng raw materials. With the demand of China, as in very huge kasi siya.
Hi Mario Pro, sa TA, meron sila pikay sa amin Durian Association, mga delivery man. Yan, salamat talaga yung sa TA. Grabe kami naka-team mo dito, masipak sila talaga, sama-sama talaga sa farm.
So, I would like to thank especially our number one durian promoter, our President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Siya talaga yung nagpunta doon sa Beijing. The reception of the Chinese market is really, they're very excited on the durians coming from the Philippines. And eto nga, yung presidente pa mismo natin nag-promote doon. So, to President Bongbong, thank you very much for being a good supporter for the durian farmers. And to the other agencies, Department of Agriculture, DA Ahmad, BPI, sila talaga yung sumusuporta sa mga farmers natin. And sila yung naging link natin dun sa China market. So with their help and with the help of our Regional Executive Director dito, si Director James Monteagudo, hopefully po tuloy-tuloy po yung pag-expand natin at pagtulong natin sa mga farmers natin.